Upgrading your car's performance is exciting. More horsepower and faster acceleration are great. But don't forget about your brakes. They're just as important as any other modification. Upgraded brakes mean you can stop faster and safer. This is crucial for modified cars that generate more power. Think of it this way. You wouldn't install a powerful engine without upgrading the transmission. The same logic applies to brakes. They need to handle the increased stress of a modified car. Whether you're on the track or the street, upgraded brakes provide the stopping power you need. Let's break down two popular brake upgrades: big brake kits and ceramic brakes. Big brake kits are a complete upgrade for your braking system. They include larger rotors, calipers with more pistons, and high-performance brake pads. The larger rotors dissipate heat better, while the calipers and pads provide increased clamping force. Ceramic brakes, on the other hand, use ceramic material for the brake pads. Ceramic pads offer superior stopping power and fade resistance compared to traditional metallic pads. They also produce less brake dust, keeping your wheels cleaner. The benefits of upgrading your brakes are clear. First and foremost, you get improved stopping power. This means shorter stopping distances, which is crucial for safety. Upgraded brakes also offer better fade resistance. Brake fade occurs when brakes overheat, reducing their effectiveness. With upgraded brakes, you can brake later and harder without experiencing fade. This is especially important for track driving or spirited driving on twisty roads. Additionally, upgraded brakes provide better pedal feel and modulation, giving you more control over your braking. Section 4. Stock versus upgraded brakes. A clear difference. The difference between stock brakes and upgraded brakes is significant. Stock brakes are designed for everyday driving and are often made to be cost-effective. They may not be able to handle the increased heat and stress of a modified car. This can lead to brake fade, longer stopping distances, and even brake failure. Upgraded brakes, on the other hand, are designed for performance. They use higher quality materials and advanced technologies to provide superior stopping power, fade resistance, and durability. If you've modified your car for performance, upgrading your brakes is essential. Section 5. ECU Tuning, Unleashing Hidden Potential. Now let's talk about ECU tuning. Your car's ECU, or engine control unit, is like its brain. It controls various engine parameters, including fuel injection, ignition timing, and boost pressure for turbocharged engines. ECU tuning optimizes these parameters to improve performance. Think of it like this. Your car's engine has hidden potential. ECU tuning unlocks that potential by fine-tuning the engine's parameters. This can result in increased horsepower, torque, and throttle response. It can also improve fuel economy in some cases. Section 6. ECU Tuning Example. Simple adjustments, noticeable results. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you have a turbocharged car. By adjusting the boost pressure in the ECU, a tuner can safely increase the amount of boost the turbocharger produces. This results in more air being forced into the engine, leading to a significant increase in horsepower and torque. Of course, ECU tuning is a complex process that should only be performed by experienced professionals. It's important to choose a reputable tuner who understands your car's specific needs. Section 7. Conclusion. Enhance your ride with upgraded brakes and ECU tuning. In conclusion, upgrading your brakes and tuning your ECU are essential modifications for any car enthusiast looking to enhance their ride. Upgraded brakes provide the stopping power and fade resistance you need for safe and enjoyable driving. ECU tuning unlocks your engine's hidden potential, boosting horsepower, torque, and overall performance. Remember, safety and performance go hand in hand. By investing in quality brake upgrades and professional ECU tuning, you can enjoy your modified car to the fullest while staying in control. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the next video on the Tuned Society channel.